When most people think about the IICRC, they think about certifications, exams, industry standards, and more. But behind every certification is a team of real people working to make sure technicians and certified firms get the support they need when they need it. On today's episode of Unscripted, an IICRC video production, we meet Max Sparks, Logistics Manager of Operations at the IICRC. Max leads the customer service team that serves more than 50,000 certified technicians and more than 8,000 certified firms around the world. He's busy, his team is busy. Whether someone needs help assessing an exam, renewing a certification, or resolving an issue, chances are Max's team is the one making it happen. Let's get to know him now.
Hi, I'm Max Sparks. I'm the Logistics Manager of Operations here at the IICRC. My teams are directly in charge of our customer service teams. We have over 50,000 IICRC technicians and around over 8,000 IICRC certified firms globally, and about 15 of my staff are the ones directly answering those calls, emails, and chats. So we're the face of the IICRC in a sense. So when these certified firms or certified technicians reach out to us and they need assistance with renewing their certifications, getting access to their exam, or any kind of needs they have, we're here to get them that solution as fast as possible and make sure they can get back to work and what they need with their day-to-day operations. So that's what the type of impact, what I look for from my team is that we're doing our best for these individuals because these certifications are their livelihood. This is what makes their world go round. This is their job. So we want to help them in any way we can to make sure that their jobs are taken care of. First off, I always will thank my team for the excellent effort they put in every single day. It's a pleasure to oversee them as their manager. They make my life extremely easy because they're in here dedicated and working hard to take care of our technicians, take care of our certified firms, and I don't have to worry about that. All I have to worry about is making improvements for our certified firms and technicians on our website or on our database. I just thank you so much to my team for doing an excellent job every single day. I couldn't do it without you. To the volunteers of the IICRC and our instructors, the volunteers on our TAC committees, the volunteers on our board of directors, they're fantastic. To do what they do without getting a paycheck at the end of the day is admirable. It's not only servicing our industry, but it services the 36 employees we have here that rely on them to keep our day jobs. I thank you guys because without you, this isn't possible. I'm an old man, as you can tell from the graying and the balding. So I typically I spend a Saturday night at home. I'm at that age, but my better half, Rebecca, her and I, we have 5 kids together, and so on a Saturday night we're barbecuing, swimming in the pool, playing board games, walking the dog, doing Pokemon Go. That's typically our Saturday night. So, but probably my favorite Saturday night is when we go down to the drive-in. It's a little nostalgic for me. We take the kids. The drive-in allows you to bring food and drinks. We bring pizzas and a cooler full of drinks. We just have a great time spending together as a family. So that's how I like to wind down on a Saturday night.